Hey guys, welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see how to make stretch transition in Alight motion. So let's see the preview. You can also download this project file from the link in the description. So let's get started. Create a new project. I'm going to name it Stretch Transition. The size will be 1:1, and regulation is 1080p, and frame rate 24 FPS. Now import your clip. Click on 3 dots and choose Fill Composition Area, then select the clip and group it. So that if you want to add something, you can add it by going in the group layer. Then add your second clip and do the same thing. Now we'll add null objects from object/element. After that, we're going to parent the groups to nulls. Now for stretch transition, we have to do slide transition. For that, select the null object and click Move and Transform, and add a keyframe where you want to start. Then add a second keyframe and slide it to where you want to move. Then we'll do the opposite thing to the second null. Make the graph however you like.
So why don't we try something new? Just tell me what I gotta do to spend the night. Yeah, I ain't gonna kiss.
For stretch, add a rectangle. Click Color and Fill and select Gradient, and make the gradient like me.
So baby, tell me what I gotta do. Yeah, just to be close to you.
Then click Effects and Add Effect. Go to Distortion, Warp, and add Displacement Map. Add keyframes and increase or decrease the offset until it stretches the way we want. Remember, Displacement Map always moves white parts.
I know that you don't mind. I like it how you talk to me, alright. Don't give me no mind. I love the way you look at me in my eye. I'ma see you in the daytime, it's alright. I know that you wanna do it right. Yeah.
And if you want down stretch, for that we just have to make the gradient like this.
I know that you don't mind. I like it how you talk to me, alright. Don't give me no mind. I love the way you look at me in my eye.
And in Displacement Map we just have to do the same thing, but with the y-axis. Also, don't forget to change the position of the null. I'm doing left side, so I'm gonna undo this and keep that. And if you're thinking, why didn't I add stretch to the second clip? Because I don't like it when it stretches at the beginning. But for those who want to do it, it's just the same thing, but the keyframes will be opposite. My first clip's displacement map offset amount is negative, so this will be positive. And if the stretch is like this, just turn on the invert.
Just tell me what I gotta do to spend the night. Yeah, I ain't gonna kiss and tell. I don't wanna run your life. I hope that you're doing well.
So yeah, we're done. See you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.